Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to make a fire resistant potion in Minecraft. So first of all you will need a nether wart, blaze powder, brewing stand of course along with the crafting table, slime ball, redstone dust and a water bottle. Now let's open up our crafting table. Okay, so water bottle, nether wart over here, blaze powder over here. Now let it cook. Okay, now we got this awkward potion. Alright, do not forget to make another item that we need by using a blaze powder and a slime ball. As so. Back to the brewing stand. Now into the awkward potion add your magma cream. Now let it brew. And now we have our potion of fire resistance, guys. Very easy. If this helped, as always guys, do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and I'll see you in the next Minecraft tutorial.